Let's talk about one of the most important NFT in Outer, the spaceships, in this video. First, when players enter the game, they play as a space captain to operate the spaceship. All gameplays will be conducted through the spaceship, similar to EVE Online. The way we operate the spaceship is also very simple. Click on the corresponding destination, and the spaceship will automatically cruise towards that point. If you want to manually operate, you can use a WSD on the keyboard to move in the PC version, and virtual buttons in the mobile version. First, on the HUD, we can see the spaceship I am currently operating. The spaceship has two commonly used attributes, capacity and durability. Capacity refers to the current cargo capacity of this spaceship. We can see that the cargo capacity of this spaceship is 20 and the maximum capacity is 550. The more cargo the spaceship carries, the higher the transportation efficiency. This is an important attribute for players who focus on trading. Durability determines the lifespan of the spaceship. When the durability drops below a certain value, all attributes of the spaceship will be affected, such as slower sailing speed, lower combat effectiveness, etc. Therefore, when the spaceship's durability drops to a certain level, we need to repair it promptly, which requires consuming tokens. Now we will dock the spaceship to the space station and introduce other attributes of the spaceship in detail. At this time, we can see the flying speed of the spaceship and the time to reach the destination. After the spaceship docks at the space station, we can open the port to view the detailed attributes of the spaceship. On the left, we can see all the spaceships I have. Here, we can check the spaceships already launched in the game. We have 6 types of spaceships: cruisers, battleships, assault ships, raiders, exploration ships, and transport ships. Right next to its name, you can check the type. The first 4 ships focus on combat, and the exploration and transport ships focus on functionality. In the game, no spaceship is the optimal solution, only the spaceship that is more suitable for your development direction. Regarding the spaceship's combat, we can understand it as a space MOBA game. Different spaceships have different positioning and skills. During battles, teams need to cooperate according to the spaceship's performance to achieve the best effect. We will explain the specific characteristics of each spaceship in detail in future videos. The spaceship has 5 levels vertically, and the higher the level, the better the attributes of the spaceship. We can see the level of each spaceship on the interface. The attributes of a level 2 spaceship are much higher than those of a level 1 spaceship. The health of a level 5 spaceship is nearly 7 times that of a level 1 spaceship, basically a crushing existence. In addition, it is worth noting that the spaceship's level cannot be improved, which means that a level 1 spaceship will always be a level 1 spaceship. Now let's take a look at the detailed attributes of the spaceship. The first 4 are the most important attributes in the spaceship's combat. The first 3 are easy to understand. That is, HP, attack power, and defense. Engine life is a unique attribute in Outer. When the spaceship's engine is destroyed in battle, the spaceship will directly lose combat effectiveness. And some spaceships will have exclusive weapons to destroy the opponent's engine. Other attributes also have specific uses, which will not be introduced one by one here. You can discover them slowly in the game when operating the spaceship on missions, which will also reduce the durability of the spaceship. After a spaceship completes a mission, its durability decreases, and we need to repair it in a timely manner. Here, we need to explain to everyone the attribute of the maximum durability limit. This will be one of the most important attributes of the spaceship. When our spaceship is destroyed by the enemy in combat, we can spend tokens to rebuild it. However, it is important to note that every time the spaceship is rebuilt, the maximum durability limit will permanently decrease. This means that if the spaceship is destroyed too many times, its maximum durability limit will become lower, and so is the value of the spaceship. For example, let's consider our iPhone. The battery capacity of a phone will gradually decrease with each use. When the battery capacity drops to a certain level, it will bring great inconvenience to our daily use and reduce its value. Let's now take a look at the weapons of the spaceship. We can simply understand the spaceship's weapon system as hero skills in MOBA games. Taking this PNG spaceship as an example, we can see its detailed description by long pressing the weapon icon. We can clearly see the combat characteristics of this spaceship: melee, charge, and high defense. Different spaceships have different weapon skills, and multiple spaceships can work together to produce different effects. More strategies need to be explored in the game. Finally, let's take a look at the modification of spaceship accessories. Each spaceship has 6 parts that can be equipped with different types of accessories. Clicking on the accessory icon shows its detailed attributes. Accessories have 3 levels, and the higher the level, the better the attributes. And now I'm adding accessories onto this ship. After we equip the accessories, we can see the bonus attributes in the green text in the spaceship's attribute bar. We can see that accessories bring many attribute bonuses. We can produce spaceship accessories through the factory, but this requires materials and tokens. Accessories equipped on the spaceship can also be reset and refreshed through the processing factory. Of course, these 2 gameplay options are only accessible to players in the later stages, and we will explain them in detail later. Now that we have equipped all the accessories, let's start our spaceship and find pirates in the galaxy to attack. All the shining white squares represent tasks available, such as exploration task and killing pirates. Now we have targeted these level 5 pirates, and it takes 20 seconds to reach them. If we don't want to operate the spaceship manually, we can choose automatic combat. In general, automatic combat is sufficient, but manual operation may be more efficient in PvP or when facing advanced pirates. That's it for this introduction to spaceships. Thank you, everyone.